how to lock notes with passwords in iPhone Notes app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to protect the privacy of your notes through password, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up the Notes app and just press and hold on the note that you want to lock, and then you can see lock note option. So you'll need to enter your lock notes password. So you need to put in a password, and then you can hit OK, and that's it. Your notes will be locked. So to open it, you'll need to tap on it, and then you can tap on view note, and then it will open up with your face ID. Or if your face ID is not working, then you can put in the password. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.